On everybody, this is Jeff with DIY TV. Today we are going to go over how to create a YouTube channel. We're going to go over the easy way to do it. So what you're going to do is you're going to go into settings. Once you're into settings, you will see right here multiple different things. See all my channels or create a new channel. Create a new channel. And for this one, we'll call it product reviews. Who knows? I might actually keep that. TV. And wait for it to collect. Then you're ready to upload your first video. You can also change your image. So you go to edit and you upload an image. And I'll just use, I don't know, anyone right here. We'll just use that one for the sake of doing it. Don't be surprised if it doesn't show up the very first time. What I mean by that is don't be surprised if it takes a little while for it to show up on your YouTube channel. It might take an hour or even 24 hours. And then you'll want to change this right here. At some point, that's your back end right there. And then if you wanted to go back to your channel, you can just hit the back button and there you are there. And you might want to customize your channel a little bit. You can add channel art. One of the websites or the apps that I like to use is called Photoshop Express. It's an app, you download it. They have all sorts of dimensions, whether it be a Facebook or Instagram profile picture or a YouTube thumbnail, because actually these are kind of big. You're going to need a big one for that. Now, you're also going to want to put an about section right here. So you can put your about section, being that I'm in the United States, I'm going to put the United States. You can also put your email, put your channel description. This is a channel dedicated to product reviews for DIY, okay? And you hit done. And then you can hit links. You can add your other social media channels like your Instagram, your Twitter, and that will all pop up. You could say Twitter, URL, Facebook, URL. You guys get the point. Anyways, it won't let me do it because I didn't put the URLs in there. The URL is the link to your actual page. You can also put your other channels that you like, featured channels, and you come back over here to home. I would say the big thing here is get started, upload your first video, and then you start doing sections. You can do like popular uploads, live streams, stuff like that. It's really simple. This is just a very introduction to doing it yourself, setting up your YouTube channel, and we'll see you guys next time.